I just found a problem with our standalone ice maker. You're going to want to see this. There's going to be a timestamp that tells you where to go and when to go to it. And you see the parts that you want to see, but you're going to want to see this if you have one. This is our third or fourth standalone ice maker that we've owned. We moved over to the Sonic. We love the Sonic Ice. It has less moving parts, and it's not supposed to break down or have problems like all those other cubed and all that kind of stuff. And one thing about it, I happened to glance at something, and I investigated, and I found something that if you have one of these, you need to do this. We're going to go inside, we're going to check it out. But first, it's Papa Texas Does Papa's Kitchen, outdoor cooking mainly, and that's us. You're welcome to get some advice out of this. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from Papa Texas. Let's get this video going. Let me show you what I found. Okay. Normally when you go into an ice maker, you're looking down at that. There's supposed to be a lot of ice in there. I took a bunch out. But I want to show you two things that need to be corrected. There's one right there. Look at that. Look what I found by looking up in there. Oh my gosh. Now check this second one out. I'm just going to freak you out. We're going to zoom into it. We're going to show you how to fix it, clean it up, what we used. Did not know that was like that back there. We've never been this low in ice, so I've got to get the rest of this ice out of there. Look at that. So once I get all this ice out of here, this is all the way around, or it's just or whatever, and then I'll show you my fix. So, that is horrible. We'll get back to that drain here in just a second. I'm going to look at the part I can't see. Oh, yeah. That's horrible, y'all. Look at the drain. I don't have anything, but I pushed down on that. It's got crap all in the drain. So at this point, we're going to pour some drain oil in this little clogged up area. Let's just use it all. Alright, at this time, we're just going to push that stuff down. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some hot water in there a couple times, try to get this flushed out to the outside. I'll check, and if that water's running out there, I got no problem. Or if it doesn't block up here. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Alright, so we're going to work on this top part first. And of course, we're using superclean foaming. And I'll leave a link to this right here. You can get a 6-pack through Academy, actually, for 40-something dollars. They end up being like $7 a bottle. I think they're worth it. You'll see here. Oh, that's nice, Bubba. So the other thing you do, you let your ice. You're going to let the first few dumps, because of that stuff that Papa just did. You could tape that up, I guess. You let the first couple dumps, you're going to wash it out with hot water and take it down, because you don't want, it's just like cleaning a regular one. I mean, you don't want to eat the first couple batches now, do you? Alright, and then we'll get this going, and we're going to come back and I'll show you cleaning it. Yeah. So while that's going, I'm gonna up there. That's pretty bad. You got to look at the bottom of your ice there once in a while, I guess. That's pretty bad. Of course, we only had the ice up at the top that we'd use. We never got down there like that, I don't think. Well, folks, the camera wasn't even on there. It came off super easy on that part. I don't know if you can see that. There's still some right there. That's just an old crappy thing I got. Anyway, worked fantastic on that. And that would be the super clean. Like I said, the link to it will be down below. Get you a 6-pack for about $7 a piece. Probably the best way to do it. I'm going to get a razor, and so I'm going to do on this part. I mean, it should work. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some water on it. It's getting there. Need a little bit more work on it. Let me do that off camera. I'll be right back. Well, that's as clean as I'm going to get it. It's all clean except it's right here. It's I mean, it's smooth as can be. It's just a stain, I think. Anyway, the rest of it's good. What I will do is at least every 6 months, I will be moving the ice down here and checking the bottom, and I'll be keeping an eye on that. Hope some of this helps you out with your Sonic or Square ice makers. Go check them out. Come back and leave me a comment if you find out that you've got this problem. And you can thank Papa, Texas. See ya.